Adana Kebab, but make it chicken? Oh, you're in for a treat. This isn't your typical chicken on a stick recipe. We're talking juicy, flavorful ground chicken spiced to perfection and grilled to smoky brilliance. Intrigued? You should be. Here's the pain point. Most people think kebabs are hard to make at home. They picture the meat falling apart or lacking that authentic punch of flavor. But trust me, anyone can nail this recipe with a few key tips. Start with high-quality ground chicken. You'll need about 500 grams. The texture won't hold together like red meat, so pro tip, mix in 10 to 15% chicken fat or add a tablespoon of olive oil. This changes everything. Now grab a small onion and mince it like your life depends on it. Honestly, finer than fine. Use a box grater if you're feeling lazy, but don't skip draining the liquid out. Too much moisture? Disaster. Next, blend in spices. 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, and ½ teaspoon black pepper. If you like heat, go heavier on the red pepper. Salt to taste. This combo, pure magic. Mix it by hand, but not too lightly. You want the mixture to feel sticky. Why? That texture helps it cling to the skewers. Knead for about 3 minutes. Trust me, this step is non-negotiable. Got skewers? If they're wooden, soak them in water for 30 minutes. That's rule number 1 for avoiding a bonfire situation. Metal skewers? Awesome. Less prep, more practicality. Either way, go for flat ones. Round ones? Meh. Form the chicken around the skewers like logs. Push evenly about 6 to 7 inches long. Worried it will slide off? Press firmly and refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes before grilling. This step is your best bet against catastrophe. Fire up the grill. Medium heat because you're aiming for smoke and sear, not incineration. Rotate every 3 to 4 minutes. Total cook time? Around 12 minutes. Watch for a golden brown crust. No grill? Use a grill pan. Serve them hot, piled over flatbreads. Add grilled veggies for bonus points. Red onion slices, tomatoes, and peppers turn this into a feast. Top with a squeeze of lemon or a dollop of garlic yogurt. Chef's kiss. If you've tried this and it didn't wow you, it's probably the spice ratio. Seriously, don't skimp on the cumin or paprika. Also, buy fresh spices if yours are over a year old. Trust me, it matters. Adana Kebab hits different when it's homemade. Your friends will think you turned into a grill master overnight. Moral of the story? Don't underestimate what ground chicken and a few spices can do in your kitchen. So try this out. Worst case scenario, you get smoky spiced chicken anyway. Best case, you're recreating Turkish street food at your next barbecue. Either way, you win.